welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another winter video here on Epic EOTV. I am so excited for this video. We are going to be doing device wallpapers for the winter time. Basically, I'm going to show you guys how to make super cute aesthetic wallpapers for your guys' phones or laptops for this winter. I'm so excited for this video because I had so much fun creating these for you guys and they're super easy to make. If you guys do like this video or you guys want more videos like this, make sure to give it a big thumbs up down below. And while you're down there, make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss any more awesome winter videos like these. I'm so excited. I'm going to be trying to upload twice a week for the rest of this winter. I am super excited for all these videos to come. And with that, let's just go ahead and get on into the video. Let's go! Alright you guys, so the first background wallpaper, whatever you guys want to call it, is just going to be a Vine reference. I am so excited for this one. This was definitely my favorite out of all of them. So we're going to start off with this one. First, I just took a regular winter background that I found online. Now I just made it a little bit blurry so that the words would stand out more. Now I'm just going to be doing all of this on Pixlr, which is what I use to edit a lot of my thumbnails and stuff, and it's completely free and it's super easy to use. Now I'm just going to be typing out all the words from the Vine. If you guys know what this is from, make sure to comment down below. And basically I'm just going to start at white and then ombre all the way down to the bottom, getting darker and darker red as I go. Now that is all for this wallpaper and it's super easy and super cute and I really like it. Now the next one is also a reference from a TV show. This one is from Gravity Falls. It is just not really winter themed, but it's a saying from that Mabel says when she's describing how to live your best life. So I thought that this was really cute, so I decided to have this as one of the backgrounds. And it seems pretty simple enough. I just basically did the exact same thing as I did for the last one. Now the next Christmas theme background, I'm basically just going to start off with this really cool plaid background, and I am making words that say bro, and I'm just going to do that from super small to super big, going in from the left side. Now I'm also going to ombre it in a red color, and I'm basically going to be doing the exact same thing as I did for the last one. Except that at the bottom, I'm going to write It's Christmas, and I thought that this was really funny because I love Christmas so much and the holidays and everything, so I thought that this would be really cute. You guys can change this up for saying it's winter or any other holidays you guys want, but I thought that this was really cute and Christmas themed and I really like it, and I definitely am going to have it for my background once it gets closer to the holiday season. Next, I am just going to add a little coffee cup, and I really wanted something to accent it a little bit so that it wasn't just words, and I just searched up coffee cup and did a bunch of stickers. Now, the one thing with this website is that they don't have a lot of stickers, but they do have these really cute travel ones, so I decided to put the coffee cup, and it had the exact same colors, so I thought that it was really cute. I also made this in green because I thought that that might make it stand out a little bit more, and I just put a tree next to it, and I thought that this one turned out really well. Now the next one isn't exactly Christmas themed, but it is autumn themed. Now in order to make your backgrounds really aesthetic, I'm going to make it a little bit blurry and put the film grain really high up, and then I'll give it kind of that vibey, old-fashioned look, and I really like how the background looks, and you guys can do this for any of your photos if you want. Now we're just going to put autumn in block letters in a black color. We're going to put a cursive in front of it, and that makes it look really aesthetic and cute, and I really like how it looks. I'm also going to be pulling colors from the background to use because it really helps tie in everything together. Then under, I'm just going to write out vibes in the same font, and I thought that it looks really cute, and I really like how this one turned out, even if it isn't winter themed. But I also wanted to have some cute autumn ones as well. guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe right here on the screen. I'm going to be uploading twice a week for the rest of the winter, so make sure that you guys don't miss any of those awesome videos and subscribe. I'm going to be doing my December plan with me this Sunday, so make sure that you guys stick around for that. And we're going to be finishing off our bullet journal season. That's going to be really fun, so make sure you guys stick around, and I'll see you guys on Sunday with another awesome video. Bye!